केरळने इंडियन प्रीमियर लीगच्या धर्तीवर पर्यटकांना आकर्षित करण्यासाठी केरळमध्ये चॅम्पियन्स बोट लीगचे आयोजन केले जाणार आहे. ओनच्या नेत्रदीपक सोहळ्यानंतर या चॅम्पियन्स बोट लीग स्पर्धेचा तिसरा पर्व शुभारंभ या महिन्याच्या सुरुवातीला झाला आहे. या स्पर्धांमुळे राज्यात देशी आणि आंतरराष्ट्रीय पर्यटकांची संख्या वाढेल अशी अपेक्षा साजेश एन, सहाय्यक पर्यटक माहिती अधिकारी, पर्यटन विभाग, केरळ सरकार यांनी व्यक्त केली. केरळच्या बॅकवॉटर्स क्षेत्रात सर्वत्र भरविल्या जाणाऱ्या चॅम्पियन्स बोट लीग स्पर्धा नेत्रदीपक दृश्यांचा एक दुर्लभ नजराणा प्रेक्षकांसमोर खुला करतात, जिथे अनेक नावाड्यांच्या वल्हवण्याची ताकद घेऊन चालणाऱ्या भव्य स्नेक बोट्स पाचूसारख्या लकाकणाऱ्या बॅकवॉटर्समधून पुढे जाताना उत्साहाची सळसणारी लाट निर्माण करतात. राज्यभरात सर्वत्र साजरा होणाऱ्या ओणच्या आठवड्यातील उत्सवानंतर लगेचच सुरू होणारा चॅम्पियन्स बोट लीगचा मोसम म्हणजे पर्यटकांसाठी केरळला भेट देण्यासाठीचा आणि इथल्या वैविध्यपूर्ण आकर्षणांचा आनंद अनुभवण्यासाठीचा एक मनोरम काळ असतो.
Namaste, I am Sajesh, Tourist Information from Kerala Tourism. Today we came here for the partnership meet. That is a B2B meet. In this section, that is for the winter session, we have 6 B2B meets. Of 6 two already finished. That is Kolkata and Visakhapatnam is already finished. Today in Pune here, and day after tomorrow we have another set of partnership in Mumbai. Then October 10th we have in Surat and later on Rajkot also. This is a part of our marketing strategy. Every season we have visited so many cities for this conducting this type of B2B meets.
So
actually,
what is the?
It's a B2B meets. That means the counterpart of is the Pune-based travel agencies. That's we have a contingent good number of around 48 numbers of tour or travel operators from Kerala participate. Actually, you think it's a business meet. Mainly, we concentrate on contacting with the business. That is a tourism marketing business people only. Usually no public participating here, but we have introduced some more products to the Pune travel people. Mainly Pune people concentrate on Cochin, Munnar, Thekadi and this Alapi also. And the pilgrim purpose one mainly focus on Trivandrum and Guruvayur. There's good enough feedback. After the pandemic, there's a good increased number of foreign tourists also. That's we got some our time was also selected for the first selected destination, must-see destination of Kerala also. And responsible tourist award from the UNWTO also. It's a street project is one of our responsible tourism projects also.